So guys, let's move on to the next question. So what we are given is that x square is equals to 36, 4 to the power x minus 1 is less than 4 to the power x minus 120, and we have to compare 3 to the power x and 500. Okay, so I think this is a pretty easy question. Let's solve it. So x square is equals to 36, right? X square is equals to 36. That means x can be equal to plus minus 6, right? Because I hope you know this, that x square is equal to 36. So x can either be 6 or minus 6, anything. Or if I can write it this way, x can be equal to plus 6 or x can be equal to minus 6, right? Because plus 6 into 6 is 36 and minus 6 into minus 6 is 36. Okay. Now, what we also have over here is this thing, right? So just let me solve this part. So it's written 4 to the power x minus 1 is less than 4 to the power x minus 120. So let's do one thing. Let's bring all the 4 to the power x on one side. So 4 to the power x minus 4 to the power x minus 1, right, is greater than 120. I don't think there should be any problem. So we can take 4 to the power x minus 1 common over here. So we'll be having 4 minus 1 is greater than 120. So this is 3. So 3, 4, 40. So 4 to the power x minus 1 is greater than 40, right? You can write it like this. Now what you can write 4 to the power x minus 1, you can write it as 4 to the power x upon 4, right, is greater than 40. So 4 to the power x is greater than 160. So we have got this, right? So this is the solution that we have got. I hope you know this, that a to the power so a to the power b minus c is equals to a to the power b upon a to the power c. I hope this is clear. There should not be any problem in this. Okay. Anyways, so we have got 4 to the power x is greater than 160. Now we had x as either 6 or minus 6, right? But if you do 4 to the power minus 6, so 4 to the power minus 6, this becomes 1 upon 4 to the power 6, right, which is less than 160, right? So minus 6 cannot be an option, right? So plus 6 is the answer. So what we have with us is that x is equals to plus 6. So this is what we have got. Now we were asked to compare 3 to the power x and 500, right? So we just have to compare 3 to the power 6 and 500, which one is greater, right? So we can easily see 3 to the power 6 is 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2, right? So 9 into 9 into 9, 81, which is 729, which is greater than 500, right? So your answer becomes A. I hope this is clear.